From global headlines to entertainment buzz, I'm Kashish Dhawan, bringing you the latest around the globe. The next 7 days could decide not just Donald Trump's political future, but the stability of the United States itself. US is now in day 36 of the government shutdown, the longest in their nation's history. Millions of federal workers are either furloughed or working without pay. And across the country, basic services are starting to buckle. This all began on October 1st when Senate Democrats blocked a Republican spending plan. They wanted to use that moment to push for an extension of Affordable Care Act subsidies, saying that those subsidies keep healthcare affordable for around 20 million Americans. Republicans and the White House said no, insisting the government must reopen before any of the healthcare is discussed. Since then, the fallout has been massive. 800,000 federal employees haven't seen a paycheck. 42 million Americans who rely on food assistance are now already getting less help. Airport delays are piling up. Small businesses are losing contracts and food banks are overwhelmed. For Trump, this is becoming a political showdown. He has been urging the Senate Republicans to scrap the filibuster rule so he can push his plan through without Democratic votes. But even members of his own party have warned that move could backfire. And now politics outside Washington could shape what happens next. Tuesday's election in Virginia, New Jersey, New York, and California are being seen as a referendum on this shutdown. Democrats are now leading in key government races in Virginia and New Jersey. In New York, Zohran Mamdani, a 34-year-old Democratic socialist, is giving Andrew Cuomo a real fight. And in California, voters will decide to withdraw congressional districts to favor Democrats, a plan backed by Governor Gavin Newsom, who sees as 2028 presidential hopeful. If Democrats sweep, it could rattle Republicans into striking a deal. Even Speaker Mike Johnson admitted something may change next week. And Barack Obama told the voters in Virginia, "We have seen what's at stake for democracy. Elections do matter." Meanwhile, Trump's also juggling with fresh and foreign policy battles, from Supreme Court hearings on his Liberation Day tariffs to criticism over unauthorized military strikes in the Caribbean and the Pacific. But for most Americans, it's not about politics, it's about rent, groceries, paychecks that they still haven't seen. The next week could decide whether Washington finally ends this standoff or whether the shutdown becomes the defining crisis of Trump's presidency.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.